How to start calisthenics at home. Calisthenics is a fantastic way to build strength, increase flexibility, and improve overall fitness, and the best part is, you can do it right in the comfort of your own home. So, let's dive right in. Before we get started, it's important to note that calisthenics primarily uses bodyweight exercises to develop strength and muscle. No fancy gym equipment is needed. All you need is your body, determination, and a positive attitude. Let's start with the basics. First things first, let's create a dedicated workout space. Clear an area in your home, preferably a room with enough space to move freely. Lay down a yoga mat or any comfortable surface to protect your joints during exercises. Next, warming up is crucial to prevent injuries and prepare your body for the workout. Begin with some light cardio exercises like jumping jacks, high knees, or skipping rope. Follow that with dynamic stretches, focusing on areas such as your shoulders, hips, and legs. This will loosen up your joints and muscles. Now, let's talk about the essential exercises in calisthenics. The first one is the pull-up, which primarily targets your back and arms. If you have a pull-up bar, great. If not, find a sturdy horizontal surface like a tree branch, door frame, or even a playground bar. Start with an underhand grip, palms facing you, and pull yourself up until your chin clears the bar. Aim for 3 sets of as many reps as you can manage with good form. Next up, we have push-ups, which work your chest, shoulders, and triceps. Begin with a classic push-up, hands shoulder-width apart and feet extended. Lower your chest towards the ground while maintaining a straight line from your head to your heels. Push back up to the starting position. As you progress, you can try different push-up variations, such as diamond push-ups or decline push-ups using an elevated surface. Moving on to lower body exercises, squats are fantastic for building leg strength. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, lower your hips down as if you're sitting in a chair, keeping your knees in line with your toes. Then, stand back up to the starting position. Remember to keep your core engaged and maintain proper form throughout the movement. Now let's target our core muscles with exercises like planks, leg raises, and bicycle crunches. Planks help strengthen your abs, lower back, and shoulders. Get into a push-up position, with your forearms resting on the ground, and hold that position for as long as you can. Leg raises involve lying on your back, raising your legs towards the ceiling, and lowering them back down slowly. Bicycle crunches engage your abs as you alternate bringing your elbow to the opposite knee. Remember, staying hydrated is crucial during your workouts. Take short water breaks whenever you need to and listen to your body. As you progress, make sure to challenge yourself by increasing the intensity or adding new exercises to your routine. That's it, guys. Starting calisthenics at home is not only convenient but also a fun and effective way to improve your fitness. Just remember to create a dedicated workout space, warm up properly, and focus on exercises that target different muscle groups. Consistency is key, so try to establish a regular workout routine that works for you. And most importantly, enjoy the process and celebrate your progress along the way. Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any future content. If you have any questions or comments, please let us know in the comments section below. Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any future content. If you have any questions or comments, please let us know in the comments section below.